guys, welcome to another episode of Stan's Adventure. Today we're at Gas Monkey Grill, celebrating Cinco de Mayo with the North Texas Jeep Club. Now, let's see if I can get a Jeep Club shirt. North Texas Jeep Club. So anyway, we're here. I think this is the pool bar. Really got some good buys, good deals. We're gonna go look at the Jeeps also. As it says, welcome to the Gas Monkey Bar and Grill, North Texas Jeep Club, Cinco de Mayo Bash. So let's look at some of the Jeeps. People are still arriving. This just started at 2 and it's only 2:20 now. So this is the Snow White Jeep. It says Snow White on it. See how smart I am. But there are a ton of Jeeps, so we're going to walk the Jeeps. Lime Rubicon, Pepper with pink eyes, nice gray Sport, Sinjin, nice red Jeep, white with a lot of doings on it, the white Rubicon, the Sand Rat, Osito, nice black. And of course, everybody knows red Jeeps rule. Sahara, Figuerosa, Black Hawk, nice looking Jeep. Somebody needs a bath.
He just took her through that mud back there after we washed her this morning.
Oh my God. Another red one. Captain Phasma. Drogon. It's kind of red. Joker. A real build. Davy Jones. Dodger, who's a motorsports babe. Dirt Dauber. This is a really good turnout. We got Bootleg, Collin County Off-Road, Road Armor, Rule the Road, nice looking Jeep. Blue, that's pretty. Silver, Love Bug, nice Sport jacked up. I'm your Huckleberry, white, nice. The Fiend with Brew Crew, Yellow Rose, another Sport jacked up and tricked out, almost in the mud. The Dirt Devil, good help. It's actually a pretty color combination. White, Hellstorm, Bocephus, Dirty Girl, a red Sahara with the top open, silver Rubicon with black doors, Ron, Pasquale, it's kind of yellow tigery. My Jeep, which is fairly plain except for the North Texas Jeep Club sticker on it. But it gets me where I need to go. It'll do some trails. Jacked up Sahara with the Angry Birds on the front. Willys. And you see these are the ones that have arrived since I got here. An older Jeep, probably a CJ. I'm not an expert once you get into the older ones. Not an expert on the newer ones. Gray Sahara. And a nice red soft top 2-door. And that's at the end of the parking lot, so as the rest of them arrive, now they're starting to park over there a little bit. Really good turnout, and like I said, they're still showing up, so I'm having a good time. Hopefully everybody here is having a good time. Hopefully everybody enjoyed looking at all the Jeeps. Thanks for coming along. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.